Okay, once you have the model looking the way you want, okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this into Unity now. And the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna select the camera. So roll the mouse wheel until you can see your camera. You could right click it or press X for a shortcut to go ahead and say delete. And so let's make sure we get these objects and delete them. I don't know why I didn't delete the first time, but there we go. And then after that, you're gonna go File, Export, and you're gonna export an FBX. And export that to a folder that you'll remember, and I've already done that, so export yours to a folder that you'll remember. Now when we go into Unity, we're gonna simply go to that folder, excuse me, and we're gonna go ahead and drag the FBX, and mine was called Spaceship 1 FBX, and you're just gonna drag it into the assets folder, okay? And then you're also gonna need the UV map, or the skin that you created using Photoshop probably. And so now we're gonna go ahead and go into our spaceship, and we're gonna put it inside next to the cube, then we'll get rid of the cube. So let's roll this in, see what we get. We're gonna drag this into here, and we can go ahead and notice that it's facing the wrong direction. So let's rotate it on the y-axis and see what happens. There we go. And its scale is obviously too big. Let's say 25%. Let's see what that looks like. 25, 25, 25. And you play around with the scale to get it the way you want. And we can go ahead and get rid of that cube. Let's just say we didn't really want to get rid of the cube all the way. We could just turn it off by clicking this, okay? And in case there's something on here that we wanted to see that we needed, maybe we need a box collider or something like that. But we have the spaceship in there, and let's push play and see if the thing works. Okay, and okay, good, shooting. Let's see if we can still crash. Goes right through it, doesn't it? So what are we maybe missing? What was on the cube? We had a box collider on there. Perhaps we need that. Let's see. Let's go box collider. Type box collider. Okay, and you can see that the box collider appears, and let's push play. And now let's see if we can crash in there and see if it still makes a hit, and it does. Okay, so good. Make sure you add that box collider onto your spaceship. Pretty cool. And now you can go ahead and create graphics for, a model for your enemy. Make your enemy different than your spaceship. And we could also do the same thing for the projectile. Okay, so go ahead and have fun exporting and importing your model into Unity. Have fun.